spices. So it's Memorial Weekend for me, therefore we have been invited to a lot of parties, and a hit at any party are Jello shots. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make strawberry lemonade Jello shots, but I'm going to show you how to make it two different ways, whether your preference is stronger on the strawberry side or on the lemonade side. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pick some strawberries from my strawberry patch. Okay, so that's pretty good. Obviously I'm not going to use all these, but the extra that I have, I'm going to make liquor infused strawberries. I'll put the link below. Anyways, now we got to go inside, wash these, and chop them up. The first thing I'm going to do is turn on my tea kettle teapot. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water to the measuring cup. And now I'm going to add 1 package of lemon Jello, and this is just the smaller package. And then just whisk it together till the Jello dissolves. Okay, so once your lemon gelatin dissolves, you'll want to take 1 cup of strawberry vodka and just pour it in. And then stir it. Okay, so now you'll want to get these little plastic party cups, and then I just put them in a pan so it's easier to carry. And the reason why I put this Jello in a measuring cup is so it's easier to pour. So now we're just going to pour them right into the plastic party cups. And now I'm gonna just add the strawberries that we picked from the garden, and I just already chopped these up, and I'm just going to add just a few to the Jello. Now if you don't like fresh fruit in your Jello, then you don't have to do this, but this just makes it pretty and it tastes even better. And you can add however many you like, just like this. Okay, so for the next one, we are going to add 1 cup of lemonade to the measuring cup. And now we are just going to heat it up in the microwave for about a minute. This time we are going to take some strawberry Jello and add it to your lemonade that you heated up. And the reason why you heat up your lemonade is just so your Jello dissolves. And then you'll want to whisk it until all the Jello dissolves. Okay, so once your Jello has dissolved, we're going to add some citrus liquor to your Jello, and we are going to add 1 cup. And then whisk that together. So of course we have the party cups ready to go, and I'm just going to pour my Jello mixture right into the party cups. Okay, so now you want to put your Jello shots in the fridge for about 3 hours. So we'll come back and check them in 3 hours.
Alright guys, subscribe to the Most Lit Family on YouTube.
Subscribe today and hit that like button.
Subscribe to the coolest family on YouTube.
Alright, we are back and it's been 3 hours. Time to check. So if you can see, the liquid's formed into Jello and they are done. Alright guys, so I'm going to try both of them for you. So of course you have to kind of run your finger around so it slips out, and then you have to chug it. So this one is of course more of a stronger strawberry flavor, and then now we're going to try this one. Same thing. And then this one is more stronger flavor of the lemon. Both of them are really delicious and everybody will love them. If you have any questions, just comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.